don't take your eye off the ball. Over the next 2 to 3 months, there's going to be a temptation to go out and spend lots of money and try and recapture some of the things that you feel might have been taken away from you in the past couple of months. Don't do it. Keep as much of your money as you can and don't go out and spend it. Be frivolous. Don't do the extra things that is expected of you, that will be promoted to you to do. People will flock off on holiday and spend a few grand. Don't do it. Seriously, unless you're mega wealthy, don't spend any extra money over the next 2 to 3 months and be suckered in by a resurgence of social activity, because it's not going to make a blind bit of difference to the long-term economic situation that we're all going to face as we approach this winter and next year. So I'm very tempted to, let's do this, the weather's nice, let's go. Well, no, stop, check yourself. Have you got a greenhouse? Seriously, have you got the means still? Have you got seeds? Did you think, it's not going to be important, and maybe let that side of things go a bit lapse? Have you got any extra fuel? Have you got the ability to insulate a room in your home for winter, just one room where you can keep warm in? Thoughts like this, because it seems to me that a lot of people are thinking life's getting a bit rosy again, and not realising, of course, that, I'll give you one example. They're printing $1 million a second at the moment. $1 million a second, to give you some idea of how bad the economic situation is, and they're actually making it worse. People should be really realising, because the whole idea is to take us into depression, is to crash the entire globe and rebuild the new structure. Well, we know this, but please, people, if you're listening to me, friends, family, subscribers, I don't know who you are, most of you, don't get suckered in. Don't take that holiday. Don't upgrade the car. Essentials only. And seeds and power and fuel still need to be purchased and stored away, because it's a cliche, but winter's coming, and the summer is not going to be the same as this winter. Cheers, everyone.